introducing is Indra Nooyi. Indra Nooyi is the CEO of PepsiCo. Her full name is Indra Nooyi ne Christian Nomorphy. Key credentials. She got a bachelor's degree in chemistry from Madras Christian College in 1976. And later she got a master's degree in business administration from the Indian Institute of Management in Calcutta in 1978. Both schools were the best schools in India. She received an additional master's degree in public and private management from the Yale School of Management in 1980. She got a financial aid from Yale at age 22. The history of employment. From 1976 to 1978, she worked at Johnson & Johnson in India. In 1980 to 1986, she worked as a consultant for the Boston Consulting Group. She later held an executive positions at Motorola from 1986 to 1990. From 1990 to 1994, she worked as the Senior Vice President at Strategy and Strategic Marketing at Alcia Bowbury, now ABB. From 1994 to 2018, she worked in PepsiCo. She took on the spot of CEO of Pepsi in 2006. Now she is working at Amazon as the board of directors. Current company name and position of employment. She stepped down from the spot of CEO from PepsiCo in 2018. Currently works at Amazon as the board of directors. Key traits, skills, and value of her. Nooyi was focused on how to make the company better. Even on the day before she was told to be the CEO, she did not have a plan on how to be a CEO. Her plan was to continue making the company better. She developed a list of essentials for leaders called the 5 C's, which is competencies, that is, becoming the go-to person for a particular skill. Courage and confidence, be willing to speak up and out. Communication skills, you cannot overinvest in becoming a better communicator. Consistency, you can change your mind, but only against a consistent framework. Compass, integrity is critical in a leader's job. So 2 quotes from Nooyi. You cannot overinvest in communication, skills, writing, and oral. I'm still a bit of a rebel, always saying that we cannot sit still, Nooyi told Harvard Business Review in 2015. Every morning, you've got to wake up with a healthy fear that the world is changing, and conviction that to win, you have to change faster and become more agile than anyone else. The work experience. Former chairman and CEO of PepsiCo, chief architect of performance with purpose. From all the experience she had in her years as CEO, she gained motivated, inspiring expertise. Small teams, mid-sized teams, large teams, and how to write in a concise way. Effective public speaking has also given Buffett the courage and confidence to speak to investors and successfully attracting them to invest. Evidence of where Indra Nooyi had applied one of the 4 functions of management. To begin with, there are 4 functions of management: organizing, planning, leading, and controlling. Controlling is the element in every predetermined object. It is to monitor and evaluate performance. Nooyi, in this case, reclassified PepsiCo's product into 3 categories: fun for you, such as chips and regular sodas; better for you, like diet or low-fat versions of snacks and sodas; and good for you, which is items such as oatmeal. This strategy was a big success to PepsiCo. So the Mentzberg management rules that she applied, one of them was entrepreneur, which is solving problems, getting new ideas, and implementing them. In the interview, a question was asked that, do you feel at any point that PepsiCo might come to be seen as tobacco's company came to be seen, as peddling in indefensibly unhealthy products? Nooyi answers, consumers' tastes change all the time. It is a good opportunity for us to change our portfolio, go where the consumer is going, and gain market share. This statement is against the company, but Nooyi can solve this impact of the statement to the public and even use this as an opportunity to change and gather new ideas that fits to consumers' taste. The ethical views she follows is the utilitarian view. For instance, she exhibits the purported trade-off between short-term financial returns and long-term investment is a false conflict. Nooyi shows that doing good is not the opposite of doing well through her mission of performing with purpose. She led the industry of the company in rationed water use, ended the use of trans fat, and drastically reducing sugar in products. She also introduced the plan of recycling packaging, as well as achieving other goals in helping communities and clients reach sustainability and nutrient milestones. Her perspective on social responsibilities. Indra Nooyi's social responsibility perspective is social economics. In the new global corporate agenda that PepsiCo recently unveiled, it focused on the health and social responsibility. For Pepsi, a company that is famous for unhealthy food, this may seem a little difficult to achieve. But the chairman and chief executive officer Indra Nooyi and chief scientist Memo Ken esteem that their ultimate goal is to make their product more healthy and enhance the power of employees, encourage employees to take environmental responsibilities. She makes her product healthy to customers and responsible to society. The strategies of corporate social responsibility realize. Indra Nooyi esteemed that the company's purpose in the past was a one-time corporate social responsibility program, usually focused on what the CEO is concerned about at the time. But when the chief executive leaves, this program often disappears along. Now, Nooyi said, we have to look at how purpose can be part of the core business of a company. Nooyi does not want purpose to be an afterthought anymore. Companies must look at how they can link profits with purpose as part of their DNA. So as a boss, employee, and as a person of integrity. As a boss, Nooyi will write more than 400 letters each year to the parents of her senior executives. She also established a list of essential for leaders, which was leading to her success. As an employee, Nooyi set up rules and organized leading skills to improve herself. And as a person, Nooyi taught herself to leave the crown to the garage. She developed the lessons she learned through her life into 7 characters: vision, persistence, persuasion, listening, learning, collaboration, and humanity. This is